Hello everyone, Tommy Retro here. Got the 2000 Thomas International 3800. Going to be adding some diesel fuel treatment to it for it to sit over the winter. And it's about 30 degrees right now. Hasn't been plugged in, so this is going to be a cold start video. I've got the battery charger on it. You can see kind of in between here. Got the battery charger on it, just helping it out. It's been on for about 10 minutes on a 35 amp charge. Looks like it's down to about 5 amps worth of charge, so should be pretty full. But this is where I'm going to keep the buses over the winter, right here next to the garage. So what we're going to do is start them up, let the preservative run through the fuel system. We're using Slick 50 for the diesel treatment, and then Stable in the gas for the gas bus, the Chevy behind this one. So I'm going to put this on boost, and we'll try to start her up. I got some ether just in case we need it, but let's give this a shot. Started miraculously well. I'm actually very surprised. It's about 30 degrees. The other day I had this I tried to start this bus after sitting about a week. Had to be upper 40s, 50, and I had a heck of a time. I had to put it on boost. After just regular charge, I had to put it on boost, and then finally, after about the third or fourth attempt, it started. This one, all I had it was the 35 amp fast charge for about 10 minutes. I never switched it to boost, and cranked over just fine. Stuttered a little bit when it started, but fired on the first shot. So I'd say that's pretty darn good. You know, again, sitting for a week. Now I'm going to let this run a little bit. I'm going to add some diesel winterizer, Slick 50, to the mix, and we'll let it run through the system. Keep the fuel from gelling up in the injectors and fuel filter, things like that. Anything you can do to prevent, you know, gum and gel and stuff like that over the winter time, and deposits for when you go to use it in the spring, I think is good. So it's going to be better than doing nothing. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to take the batteries out, service them, add water if they need it, make sure they're topped off with a charge, and then I'm going to put them away inside in a warm place, keep them off the concrete floor, and that way they'll be in the best shape they could be next spring when I go to use them. So I'm going to go work on that now, and we'll catch you in a little bit. Okay, the diesel treatment's added to the International bus. Now it's time to do the Chevy bus. So this is the Chevy C60 with the 366 gas engine, and we're gonna do a cold start video on this. So let me get set here, and we will start this up. This is no battery charger, no nothing. It's gas. It should fire just fine. It's about 30 degrees. good. This one floods really easy, so you noticed I wasn't using a whole lot of choke at the start. I just want to make sure that I kind of ease into the choke, because if you choke it too much, then it doesn't want to run at all. So that's why I started with no choke, and then when I wouldn't start, I just kind of applied the choke, and then as I pulled it out, once it got running, I backed it off. It likes to flood really easy, but 30-degree day, sitting a week, carb rated 366. I'll say it started up pretty darn good. The throttle set's not hooked up, so I got to keep my foot on the gas. But we'll let this one run for a while. It's got stable in there. I put it in the tank, flushed it, mixed it with a little additional gas. So we'll let this run a while, get up into the carburetor, and again, once we're done with this, I'll probably let them both run for a good 15-20 minutes. Let it get worked in good, and then I'll shut them down. And then I will pull the batteries out, like I said, to service them. Keep them inside. Really important with the batteries. Don't keep them on a concrete floor. For some reason, I'll have to look into why, but it sucks the life out of lead acid batteries. So never put batteries on a concrete floor. Always keep them up off the floor on a board or something. And this will be good storage for the winter.